very simple concept of colour and texture. Can be just texture, could be colour as well, but it's to describe how you feel on the inside in colour, and you can use texture and you can use words. And how do you feel that you are on the outside? What colour are you projecting to the world? Are they different? Are they different things? How you are on the inside, what you project on the outside.
It was wonderful to have the chance to see some examples of what Joanna had done before with other participants, and to be able to be given materials and just get going and think about the two sides of us.
The workshop's been great. It sort of helps people to take their mind off their daily lives, and I think it's really helpful for people with sort of mental health, anxiety, low level depression. Can really help them focus on something apart from what's going on in their world at that time.
I really enjoyed the workshop this morning. It was so great to be with lots of other people learning a new skill and learning new ways to represent our art.
It was a joy to be able to work alongside people who are social prescribers, because they'll understand the benefit of doing a workshop and how much it can improve your well-being and your state of mind.